So I'm gonna show you my fix for the radiator issues that come with these bikes. It doesn't matter if you're a wheelie guy or if you just, you know, ride like normal, because the thing is that the gas tank moves, and it's sort of like it can move up and down, and when it comes down, the vibration from that force goes to these like mounts to the radiator, and then usually the radiator will one of these folds will break and it will leak, and that's what happened to mine. It's sort of hard to see with the guard on. Mine broke here somewhere and started leaking, and I sent the whole radiator to a place in Gothenburg. So if you're in Sweden, I'm gonna post the place down below, but they welded it, and I think I found a solution to prevent this problem, because mine has been working fine for 2 years now. So what I did was placed, I think they're for furniture from the beginning, but it's like pads here, and it makes the gas tank like sit tight in, and the vibration, it's not gonna move anymore, and the vibration that comes like absorbs into these pads. I don't know if it's gonna be like visible, but as you can see now, it doesn't really move. It doesn't go up and down. So yeah, that's the trick if you don't wanna mess up your radiator, or if you want to save it after it breaks. Yeah, just post questions if you have any. Thanks for watching.